How to store live data in Excel, using Datascope. Task. Store the incoming traded prices of several stocks. Datascope works with formulas. Use the Dairy Live ribbon to paste the correct formula. Start by selecting the cell where you want to paste the formulas. You will need this ribbon section that lists the supported providers. Click here. Choose Store Incoming Feeds in File, and then OK. This formula in cell A1 starts the Datascope engine. The engine receives feeds every 5 seconds due to this entry. These symbols are processed. And these two fields. This is the storage path. And this is the file name. You can easily find the created text file by selecting this cell and then clicking on the Cell Info button. The Windows Explorer pops up pre-selected in the storage folder. Here you see the file, feeds YFCSV. Its size keeps increasing as new feeds are stored every 5 seconds. Let's see its current contents using Notepad. Text data separated by the semicolon symbol. A better way to read these data is by importing them into Excel. You may click on the Refresh button to retrieve the latest added data. Check out the following videos for more information on Datascope live feeds.